back to my channel. It's been a little minute. I'm back in my dorm room. I am back on campus. I'm back on campus, y'all. It is fall semester. It is senior year, so we want to go out with a bang. And with that, I will be bringing you guys more content, holding myself to it. So basically for this video, as you can see from the title, I want to give you all a room tour. My roommate and I were HGTVing it up in here. We did something a little different with our space to give us privacy and give us more open space, walking space. Yeah, I'm not gonna make this intro too long. I'm gonna get right into the video. All right, so when you first come in, we got our little porch light. My roommate and I call it that. But you have the bathroom, you know, nothing fancy. And then my roommate and I also call this like the living room, and I changed outfits because it's a whole other day. But we call this the little foyer or living room. Separated like the area. So this is how it looks. We got a curtain from, what's it called? Burlington for $10. But the rod is from Big Lots. This is my stuff, my fridge, my goodies, all that stuff. And then this is also mine. I took this from my room back home. It needs to be brushed because it's looking a little messy. But anyway, it's good for storage. But yeah, this I got from Target. It's actually a kitchen runner, but I liked how it felt cushiony on our feet. And then, you know, cleaning supplies. As you open the curtains, we did a little something. This is my part of the room, my side. I decorated using some of the same pieces that I had from last year, and then I added on. This is my wardrobe piece. I am not opening that because, truth be told, that still needs to be organized. I had to take my Crocs off because I don't allow shoes on my rug. The rug is from Amazon. It is a fluffy, furry rug. It's very, very soft. This fan is from TJ Maxx. And two pictures are from Hobby Lobby. That is my ring light that I bought from Amazon. I could link that if you all want it. It's extremely bright and it's super tall. Also, I got this really cute, I literally just realized how loud my fan was. But anyway, so basically it's a vanity mirror. I'm struggling. So I bought this from Big Lots for $6.99. It's cute, you know, simple. It's the perfect size. Had to pick up my Auntie Tab magazine from Target. Love it. I thought it would be a super cute decoration. And then this is just a friend of mine. This is her brand or her clothing line. So I decided to decorate my room with it a little bit. Right here I just have my Bible, some notebooks. Target, this is my Virginia State planner that I haven't used. Target has some of the cutest notebooks, y'all. This is a planner that I bought. Love it. And then the good old word, the life on paper. But yeah, so yeah, I just keep it neatly stacked right there. And then those are some blue light glasses that are off of Amazon. Here we have my other dresser. I keep my night stuff in here. My hair is unorganized hair goodies in these two drawers. And then we also have four drawers underneath our beds, and it's just full of clothes. Had to get my scripture posted up next to me. It really does serve as a reminder, and I speak this over myself just about every morning. This is from Target. Y'all, I love these lamps. Never break. They're really reliable, super bright. So, and it also has like the charging ports for it. So, also need my music. I bought these. I need to keep my finger out of the camera. I bought these ivy leaves from, what's it called? Hobby Lobby for $15.99, and I cut them into strips because it was a 25-foot strand. And then I bought this, what's it called? Tapestry from Amazon last year. Don't remember the price. But the bedding is from Target. Maybe I should keep the light on. Yeah, the bedding is from Target. My mother made these made these two pillows. She also made this pillowcase. It's satin. We bought this back pillow that says Dream from Marshall's. I was watching Project Runway. All right, so my roommate and I decided to put this curtain here to give us some privacy, you know, just to kind of separate the sides of the rooms. Okay. We got some string from Big Lots and tied it to the command strips, and basically that's how we got the curtain to stay. They are blackout curtains, so if her lamp is on, it tones down the light. If my lamp is on, it tones down the light for her. This is her side. Very, very cute. She sews, so that's her equipment right there. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm out of breath and I don't know why. That's pretty much it. I look a mess, sorry. Also, yes, I'm on my rug. I realize I never say who I am in my videos. So, my name is Alahna Shermaine. I hope you all enjoyed my video. Let me know what content you all want to see. Let me know what you enjoyed about the room. And if you guys got any ideas for when you all eventually move on to campus, because I don't know what ages are watching this, but yeah. Welcome to my humble abode.